Hi, I'm Mark Waugh, and along with my wife Janet, we own Dream Doors Harrogate. We're a family-run business.
The great thing about Dream Doors is that we can transform your kitchen doing as little or as much as you want.
The Dream Doors concept is fantastic. We offer kitchen refurbishments and makeovers for up to 50% less than a full kitchen replacement. We do this by retaining all your existing cabinets and just replacing frontals and worktops. In addition to this, at the same time, we can replace ovens, hobs, extractors, other appliances and sinks.
So we manage your project from the minute that you step into our showroom. We're here to guide you and help you from the decision-making process all the way through to the final completion of your kitchen transformation. We have a fantastic choice of doors, worktops, appliances, sinks and taps. We offer top brands such as Neff, Bosch and Samsung appliances, along with Blanco and Franke sinks and taps.
And kitchen refurbishment isn't just restricted to replacing frontals and worktops in your existing layout. We can adapt certain areas so we can make your working environment easier. A good example of that would be introducing drawers into base units so things are more accessible and easier to get to.
We're situated at 61 Knaresborough Road in Harrogate. We've got car parking outside the front of the showroom, so why not come on down and pay us a visit and see if we can help you transform your kitchen.